Hi students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to explain you what is a standard form. Okay, so before starting this exercise, you should know what is a standard form. So what is the definition of this standard form and purpose? So the other name of standard form is exponential form. Okay, the other name of standard form is exponential form. So this standard form is a way of writing down very large or very small numbers easily. We can write very large and small numbers easily by using this standard form. Okay, for example, I'm taking one example here. I'm writing here one number. It is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. It is 300 million. So how to write this number in a short form? You have to take this 3 into, you have to write 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you do 10 8 times, if you multiply 10 8 times, okay, then if you do into 3, you will get this answer only. Okay, so this is a way of writing a standard form. So let us consider diameter of a wire in a computer chip is 0.000003 meter. So here consider, you have to consider this is not the exact value. Okay, so how you have to write this? Okay, this is a very small number. Okay, so how you have to write this? First you have to take 3, these 3 you have to take here. Okay, then by, then 1, then how many zeros are there here? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then you have to take this 3 also. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have to take 10 to the power of 6. So after a point you have to see how many numbers are there. You have to write power as 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then take this 3. It is 3 point, means 3 you have to take. Okay, 3 by 10 to the power of 6 meters. Now how you have to write this? 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6. If by is there, you know this, if by is there means you have to take minus. You have to take minus. Now consider the size of a plant cell. So here we have to consider the size of a plant cell. So 0.00001275 meters. Again what you have to do? Again 1275 you have to take, then by, then 1. How many zeros you have to take? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 zeros we are taking here. So here 4 numbers are there, means you have to take point after one number in the standard form. So what you have to do? 1275, then 10 to the power of 8 we have to take. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 10 to the power of 8 we are taking here. So now what you have to do? 1.275, you have to write here 1.275. After 1 you have to take point. After one number you have to take point in this standard form. So into what you have to do? Again 10 to the power of 3. So after point how many numbers are there? 3 numbers are there, means you have to take again 10, then 3 numbers means you have to take 3. 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 3. So 1.275 we are taking, then you have to take 10 to the power of 3 by 10 to the power of 8. So now 1.275 into 10 to the power of 3 minus 8 you have to take. 3 minus 8 means, if by is there means what you have to do? Minus 3 minus 8. 1.275 into 10 to the power of minus 5. 8 minus 3 is, it is you have to do 8 minus 3, it is 5. Then you have to write the bigger number symbol. So the answer is 1.275 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Now the diameter of the sun is 1,400,000,000. So how to write this? 1.4 into, again you have to take, after 1 you have to take point, then 4 into 10 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9. Okay, like this you have to write. Then diameter of the earth is here ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. It is 12 million. So what you have to do in this? In this also you have to do the same. You have to take 1.275. See, if the number is here, if the number is here, if the number is like 0.000 and the number is here like 1275 is here, means what you have to do? You have to take it as by. Okay, 1.275 by you can take. So if here, if the number is here, so what you have to do, you have to take 1.275. Okay, 1.275 into 10 to the power of, what you have to do, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You have to till here you have to take, as we have taken here 1 point, it is 10 to the power of 7. So now what you have to do, so if we write these diameters in a standard form, then it is easy to find how bigger the sun is. Okay, so how bigger the sun is, so let us see what you have to do. Diameter of a sun by diameter of earth you have to take. So what is the diameter of a sun? 1.4 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay, by, what is the diameter of the earth? 1.275 into 10 to the power of 7. So now what you have to do, so 1.4 into, if you cancel this and this, what answer you will get? 7 8 9. 10 to the power of 2 you will get here, by 1.275. Okay, 7 8 9, this 10 to the power of 9 and 10 to the power of 7 gets cancelled, and you will get here 10 square. So now what you have to do, for 1.4 and by 1.275, first we will do 1.4 into 100, that means 10 square. 1.4 into 100 is 140. 140.00 means we have to take 140. So now 140 by 1.275. So now what you have to do, in the numerator you have to take 3 digits of denominator. Okay, so after point in the denominator, 3 digits are there, 3 numbers are there, 275. So we'll take 3 zeros. Okay, 140 is there, again we will take 3 zeros. So in the denominator you have to take the number as it is, 1275. So now if you do the division, it is very lengthy. Okay, the division is very lengthy, you will get answer very long. Okay, 109.8, you will get very long division here. So we'll write approximately 110. Okay, so the answer is here approximately 110, we can write it as 110. Okay, now I am starting exercise 4.2. So first sum is, express the following numbers in standard form. The numbers are given, you have to express it in standard form. So what is the number here? 0.000000000 means how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 zeros are there. So 947 is given here. So what you have to do, I told you, after one number you have to take point. It is 9.47 into, then after point how many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. Then you have to take 10 to the power of 2. 1 2 by 10 to the power of, now you have to count all numbers. After point how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 numbers are there. So you have to write this 12 here. Then you have to take 9.47 into 10 to the power of 2 minus 12. You have to take this 10 common. 10 to the power of 2 by is there means you have to take minus, then 12. So the answer is here 9.47 into 10 to the power of 12 minus 2 is 10. Then you have to take the bigger number symbol, minus 10. So this is the answer. Now second one is 543 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 zeros are there. So here 0 point is not given. If 0 point is given means what you have to take? You have to take 5.43. Here the number is given. Okay, so the point is not given in this. So 5.43 you have to take. 5.43 into 10 to the power of, so you have to leave this number. We have taken 5.9, you have to leave this number. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It is 11. 10 to the power of 11. So this is the answer. So don't get confused. Okay, don't count this number, as we are taking here 5.9, so you should not count this number. You have to count all these numbers. Okay, if 0 point like 0.0000543 is given, then what you have to do, you have to take 5.43, then you have to take into 10 to the power of 2, then by you have to take 10 to the power of how many numbers are there after point. You have to count all numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 10 to the power of 8, then you have to do minus 2 minus 8. Like this you have to do if 0 point is given. Here 0 point is not given, that's why you have to take like this. Okay, so third one is 483. Again 1 2 3 4 5 zeros are given. This is also very simple. What you have to do, 4.83 into 10 to the power of, so after point, okay, we have taken point here now. So how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You have to write 10 to the power of 7. This is how you have to do this. Fourth one is 0.00009298. Again what you have to do here, 9 point, you take 9.298, okay, then into 10 to the power of, after point how many numbers are there? 1 2 3. You take 3, then by 10, you leave this 0, okay, then you take all these numbers, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is 10 to the power of 8. Now what you have to do, 9.298 into 10 to the power of 3 minus 8. As by is there, you have to take minus. Then 9.298 into 10. Okay, so 8 minus 3 is 5. So it is minus 5. Minus number is bigger here. It is minus 5. Fifth one. So this one is also very easy. You have to take 5.29. Okay, then what you have to do, into 10 to the power of, so how many numbers are there after point? 2 numbers are there, by then 10 to the power of, so after point how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is 7. Now you have to take 5.29 into 10 to the power of 2 minus 7. You have to take this 10 common, 2 minus 7. So 5.29 into 10 to the power of, so 7 minus 2 you have to do. It is 5. It is minus 5. Minus number is bigger here. Second sum is express the following numbers in usual form. So they are in the standard form. You have to express it in usual form. So first one is 4.37 into 10 to the power of 5 means 1 2 3 4 5. It is 1 lakh. Okay. So now what you have to do, if you do the multiplication, it will become a very lengthy process. So there is the easiest way of doing it. What you have to do, you take 437, you do this in the rough column. 437 you take, and you take how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 zeros are there. You take 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. You take these 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. Then after point how many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. So you cut these 2 zeros. Okay, so the answer will be, so it is 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh. It is 4,37,000. So this is how you have to do this. Okay, this is the easiest way of calculating here. Okay, so if you do the multiplication, it will become very lengthy. Okay, so you take in this way. You take first 437 and you take all the zeros, and after point how many numbers are there, you cut that zeros and you will get the answer. The second one is 5.8 into 10 to the power of 7. Again this also, it is also very easy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Again what you have to do, you take 58 and you take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then what you have to do, after point how many number is there? 1 number is there. After point 1 number is there, you cut this. So what will be the answer? 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore. It is 5 crore, then 80 lakhs. 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh. Okay, this is how you have to do this. Okay, Third sum is 32.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. We have to take here a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. This identity I am taking here, 1 by 10 to the power of 4. So 32.5 into 1 is 32.5 only. By 10 to the power of 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You have to take 10,000. So now 325 by, you have to remove this point. How you have to remove this point? By writing here one more 0. It is 10,000 now. We have to write here one more 0 and we have to remove this point. Okay. Always in the numerator, if the answer is in point, what you have to do in the division, you have to take in the denominator, you have to take one more 0. So you take one more 0 here. Okay. It will become 1 lakh. So what you have to do, if you do the division, if you do this 1 lakh with 325, it will become very lengthy process. Okay. So you do one thing, you take 325 first. It will become 1s, 10s, 100. Then you take 0 zeros. Okay. 1s, 10s, 100 now. 1000, 10,000. It is lakh. You take this in lakh. Here 1 lakh is there now. That's why you take this in lakh only. Okay. It is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So always for negative numbers, the answer will be in a 0 point. Okay. If you write this in usual form, always if negative number is there, the answer will be in a 0 point. So if you do the division, you will get the same answer. Okay. So you do one thing, you write like this. Okay. First you write 325, then you write here 1s, 10s, 100 is there now. So 1000, 10,000, lakh. 3 zeros you have to add in this before, and you have to write 0 point, and you have to write here point. This will be the answer. Now fourth one is 3.71529 into 10 to the power of 7. So again you have to write this 0 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now what you have to do, this is the easiest way of doing. Here the number is very bigger now. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore is there. So if you do the multiplication, this will become very bigger. Okay, so there is the easiest way. What you have to do, you take 3, 7, 1, 5, 2, 9. This number you take, and you take this all zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These zeros you take. Now what you have to do, so after point, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. So you cut these zeros and you take this number. Okay. So what you have to do, first you have to take this number, you have to remove point, and you have to take this number and you have to write all zeros here. Then after point, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. You cancel these 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What answer you will get, you have to write that answer. Okay. Fifth one is 3789 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Again you have to take same identity here also. 3789 into 1 by 10 to the power of 5. So 3789 by 10 to the power of minus 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros you have to take. So here point is not given, so no need to write any zeros in the denominator. So here what you have to do in the division, I told you now what you have to do. You take 3789. It is 1s, 10s, 100,000. Again 10,000, lakh. Okay, 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So after 0 you write 1 point. Okay, so here negative number is there again. So the answer will be in the 0 point only. So 0.03789 is the answer here. So I will show you with the division also. Okay, this sum I will show you with division also. You will get the same answer for division also if you do the division, but it is very lengthy. Okay, it is very short. You can do with this method easily. So fifth one is 3789 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Again we have to take this identity. A to the power of m is equals to 1 by a to the power of minus m, 1 by a to the power of m. So here 10 to the power of minus 5 means 1 by 10 to the power of 5 you have to take. 3789 by 3789 into 1 is 3789 only. By 10 to the power of 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 lakh you have to take here. 1 lakh is there. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Here 1 lakh is there. Here 3789 is there. So 3000 is there. So what we have to do, 0 point, and again I am taking here 1 0. It will become 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000. 37,890 it will become. Then again you take one more 0. Then you add here one more 0. It will become 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Now it will become 3,78,900. So you take 1 lakh 3 is it is 3 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5. So you take again this one, 78900. Again it will become 78,900. Again you have to write here one more 0. It will become 7 lakh. 7 lakh means you have to take 7s are 1 2 3 4 5. It is 7,89,000, but you have to take 7s are, it is 7 lakh. 8s means it will become 8 lakh now. So now again you take 89,000. 89,000 means you take one more 0. Again it will become 8,90,000. So 8,90,000 means 8s are, it is 8 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5. So again what will happen here, 9. It will become 90,000. Again you have to write one more 0 here. It will become 9 lakh. Okay, so you have to take 9s are, it is 9 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is here 0. So 0 is the answer here. So what is the answer? 0.03789. 0.03789. So this is how you have to do this. Sixth one is 24.36 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So again what you have to do here, 24.36 into 1 by 10 to the power of 3 you have to take. Then 24.36 by, okay, 24.36 into 1 is this only. Then you have to take 103. Then what you have to do here, point is given 242436. Then you have to take 1 2 3. So after point how many zeros are there? You have to take, sorry, how many numbers are there after point? 2 numbers are there. So you take this 2 zeros here. After point 2 numbers are there, you take 2 zeros here. Then what you have to do, you take 2436. It is 1s, 10s, 100,000. So it is 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. It is 1 lakh again. So if you do the division again, it will become very lengthy. So what you have to do here also, 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. So 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So you write here 1 point. 0 point. Again the answer is, the question is negative now. The power is negative now. So the answer will be in the 0 point. It is 0.02436 is the answer. So I will show you with the division also this sum. Now sixth bit is 24.36 into 10 to the power of minus 3. It is 24.36 into 1 by 10 to the power of 3 you have to take. We have to take a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. This identity you have to take here. 24.36 by, again you have to take this 3 times, this 0 3 times, it will become 1000. So now what you have to do, 2436 by, what you have to take, so 3 zeros are given here, 1000, it is 1000. After point how many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. So you have to take here in the denominator 2 zeros. Okay, this is how you have to do the point division. Okay, so if after point 2 numbers are there means in denominator you have to add 2 more zeros here. So again what you have to do, you have to take 1 2 3 4 5. It is 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. It is 1 lakh again. It is 2,436. So you add here 0 point and you take one more 0. Now it will become 24,360. You take one more 0 and take here 0. It will become 2 lakh. Okay. So now it will become 2 lakh 43,600. You take 2s are 2 lakh. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. Again you take this 4 3 6. Okay. Then same you have to do. You will get the same answer, 4 3 6. Okay. So no need to do the whole division. Okay. In the previous sum I have shown you the division now. So you have to do the same. Okay. Here also you have to take these two zeros you have to take, and one more zero you have to take, then 4s are you have to take, then 3s are, then 6 are, you will get the answer 0 only. So you take this 436 here, you take 0.02, okay, then you take 436. So this will be the answer, 0.02436. 0, 2, 4, 3, 6. So it is ones, tens, 100,000. Okay, then 10,000 lakh. You have to take 0.0. Okay, so what is the easiest method you can see here is you take 2436 here. Okay, then ones, tens, 100,000, it is 1000 only, but in the denominator ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh is given. So what you do here, you take 2436, ones, tens, 100,000, it is 10,000 lakh, you take two more zeros and you write 0 point here. Okay, this is the easiest way of doing this. Okay, so if you do this division, it will become very lengthy process. Now you can try this method also. Okay, so with this we have completed second sum. So more sums are there in this exercise. I will continue that sums in my next video. Okay, so till then, stay safe. Bye bye.